Snowing. Snowing outside, bro. It just started too, so it's soft. If you know, you know. Every wheel drive car's worst nightmare, bro. And this is exactly why I should have bought that thing to clear off. This, not the, you know, the snow brush. Yeah, I said that thing. That one probably like, dang. Ooh. Wow. This is probably a terrible idea. Wait, the fuck? You might be good, guys. That's no cap. We're gonna see. Not too bad, but you know, it's still stalled. Not too bad. Tires, guys. These are not season tires. So I tested the waters a bit, and as long as I don't smash the gas, I'm good. Now let's see if I can make it back home without needing a rescue. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna plug in this dash cam. And I chose a very narrow street to go up. Yep, on that wood box. Hop back in the car, you put the seatbelt back on. ASAP. Looks crazy on the dash cam. Take the corners nice and slow. Don't wild out, bro. Like, Be smart, man. Be smart. Because if not, you are definitely going to slide. And before y'all say something, yes, I'm about to pull over real quick, slightly, just so I can put the seatbelt on real quick. Safety first, man. Safety first.
Yeah, nigga, I had to hurry up and think of some cool shit to say.
Yo, what, bruh? My boy, this me that wide turn. Come on, yeah, let's slowly make this turn. No, I will not be attempting to repark this car back where it was. I'm not gonna cap. I am not crazy. All right. Thing is, can't see nothing. Let's see the mirror down a little bit. Yeah, we. Definitely not driving. Yes, no. All right. I think we successfully seen if we could make it in the snow or not, and no. Should you drive a railroad drive V8 in the snow? No. Oh man. All right. Well. Am I crazy? Yes. Yes, I am. I'm not going to do that again. Say goodnight to the car.